Good morning. Guess what happened last night? Okay, it is day 3 at the Love's truck stop, and we're at day 4 in Salt Lake. We might get a load today, and again we might not. But I wanted to show you what it looked like outside. Jump, 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 jump. Cat's jumping in the bed in the truck. So, happy snowy wonderland. Good morning. How are you this morning? Oh, yes. Yeah. Give the internet kisses. Yes, you are. Good boy. So I helped out this driver yesterday. I pulled out this airline out of the back of out of my bunk and hooked it up to his rear airline, so we can air up his steer tire. And come to find out, he has a nail in his steer tire, and so he has to get that replaced. You can't repair a steer tire. You can repair it, but you can use it for a driver trailer, but you can never use it as a steer again. Anyway, so I put 110 pounds of pressure in that tire. He spent the night here. He had 3 drops today, and then he's going to get the tire replaced. So he's going to be happy about that. And he says he told his dispatcher or his boss or whoever, saying that if he gets him a load out of here, hand him south. It's warmer south. So I thought that was very funny. Are you done playing and chasing the windshield wiper? Everybody likes watching you chase the windshield wiper. Put you back in the cradle. There we go. So, get a little pickup truck out there playing Mr. Plow. He's not doing too bad of a job. He just doesn't do a very good job either. Too funny. So over here behind this red truck, at the far end of this truck's on the left, is one of our tractors sitting on the road, and he's been parked there since yesterday. His trailer's over at Redaways. I'm assuming it's empty, so he's not going to move until he gets a load. What's up with you? What are you killing?